be together for another 2 days. And in these 2 days, there are several things which we are going to definitely discuss. Something very serious, a serious business opportunity. And before even talking about that, let me first introduce myself. My name is Sanjeev Samni. I am a chartered accountant in practice for last 15 years. And in these 15 years, I've spent 12 years working for America and UK doing their accounting. And basically what I've done is I have partnered with them, with the CPA firms over there. And we started growing together. So as of today, we have more than 1500 clients. We have almost 75 people working in our organizations. And we are doing everything what an accountant worldwide do. And while doing this business, what I have seen is this is so possible. This is so easy. Because accounting in India is the best. Because we are also doing Indian accounting. I've been through this chartered accountancy course. I've been through my training for last 4 years, 5 years in articleship and all this stuff. And I've seen that the journal entries which we do, like we understand journal entries. And if you look at these people worldwide, they're not even conversant with the journal entries. They're not even conversant with the process and the procedures followed. So then what I've seen is there's a huge opportunity for Indian chartered accountants and Indian accountants to work for these overseas firms. Whether it is America, whether it is Australia, whether it is anywhere in the world, we can do their accounting. We can definitely do their accounting and we can do good business because today is the date of technology. In this 2-day session, what we are going to achieve is a lot of things we are going to achieve. I think you have seen the itinerary. Like we are going to talk about cloud computing. We are going to talk about the advantages and how technology is helping us do all this work together. The major crux of this entire project or this entire workshop is QuickBooks. And in these 2 days, we are going to cover in extension, in detail, the various angles of QuickBooks. And how QuickBooks is so important and how it can change lives. Because slowly what is going to happen is India is already coming up with QuickBooks. Then we have Sarita Agarwal. You're going to hear her. She's a chartered accountant and actually she has got 10 years of experience working on QuickBooks. So maybe almost 30 to 40% of the presentation will be done through her when we are going to deal on QuickBooks deep, because she's working with almost 1200 plus clients for last 10 years. She is a lead manager with these 75 people, and she is managing at least 5 or 6 chartered accountants in our offices. And she's doing conference with all the clients which we do. So she is actually a person who is doing quality. So she's going to give her insight on what client expect and how actually, what we do on a detailed basis. Because the objective is not just to learn how we can get this business, what we do with this business, but what are the expectations, these people have worldwide. And what's the difference in attitude and angle if you need to build forward. So that's the expectation which you can take from me in these 2 days is, yes, you will learn all the ins and out of this business. You will learn on the practical level QuickBooks, like what QuickBooks is all about. And when you see that, you will be so surprised to see that, it's just like Tally. It is in fact much easier than Tally, although it is much powerful than that. I can say it is 15 to 20 times more powerful than that. You will learn all the different features which this QuickBooks has offered, and they are in India right now. And I can tell you, like the vision which I'm talking to big corporations, then another 5 to 7 years down the line, QuickBooks is going to take over time in India. Forget about the word QuickBooks is going to take over Tally in India. That's the strength we are trying to talk about. It is totally web-based and we are going to discuss in detail once we get into that. But these are the expectations which you can generally take over from here. And we'll be having a lot of multiple choice question and answers and communication tools which we are going to discuss about.